I wrote a letter to all the subscribers. P.S. I followed Lara Jean aka Lancôme's makeup.
Let's kill this love. Let's kill this love. Let's kill this love. Let's kill this love. Let's kill this love.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's Jay from Decent Look. Today I followed Lancôme everyday makeup tutorial video. I feel so awkward to myself because I feel like I become a totally different person because this makeup is so intense and fierce than I thought. But I had so much fun filming this video because I tried so many new things that I didn't do for my makeup. There's so many makeup steps or makeup products or makeup skills that I've never used when I do my own everyday makeup. So fun to just following her makeup and talking about movie. To all the boys I've loved before, P.S. I Still Love You. The part 2 is released on Netflix on February 12th. It's not a sponsored video. I'm just a huge fan of Lancôme and of the movie, so please go watch. And if you haven't checked her channel, Lancôme, she recently opened up her YouTube channel. I followed that video in her channel, so please go watch and let me know what do you guys think about my makeup look today. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop any comment if you want. And yeah, let's get started. I think Lancôme, she already put her lashes on, so I'm also gonna put this fake lashes first before I start makeup. And it'll be my first time wearing this fake lashes, so I'm kind of nervous. I got this from Olive Young and I paid for like $2. Have this mini glue come along with this fake lashes. It's my first time wearing fake lashes, so I don't want to go too much, so I picked up this kind of like very natural lashes. So they have this little applicator in the glue. Put the glue on and dry this for 10 seconds. Oh my god, I'm so nervous. I did it. It looks very natural. Yeah, it feels nice actually. But the reason why I don't wear fake lashes is because I don't like something showing above my eyes. This feels very awkward. Yeah. Okay, I think lashes are good to go. Looks very natural though. Okay, let's move on to foundation. Since I don't have any mist right now, so I'm just gonna use this Urban Decay makeup setting spray to soak the sponge. I think this is enough. For foundation, I'm going to use this Lancôme Idole foundation. She used CC cream for her makeup, but I think this foundation is very natural, so I think I'll just go with this. By the way, I love this top. It's from BLACKPINK. I love this top, but one big con about this top is I can use my hand as a palette, so I don't know where to put my foundation. Let me probably this part. Oh my god, I feel so moisturized. Careful. I recently really into Justin Bieber. His song Yummy, it's so addictive. Okay, I'm done with foundation. I don't like putting too much foundation on my face. I like to put foundation as loose as I can. And let's move on to the very important step, eyeshadows. So I'm gonna use this Urban Decay Naked Tray palette. For the base shadow, I'm going to use this juicy color for the base shadow. Oh my god, my eyes are getting red. Very intense makeup than I thought. I always go with like brownish, black, or grayish color, so I'm not used to using this kind of like popping up colors like orange. I'm kind of nervous because what if I ruined her makeup? Because it looks so pretty on her. I thought she and I kind of look alike, so that's why I decided to make this video. Whatever, because of coronavirus in Korea, I'm not gonna go anywhere. Probably gym, maybe. First, I'm not going to gym with this makeup on. I'm gonna take it off after this video. I'm going to use this rom&nd Better Than Eyes eyeshadow palette. How cute this package is though. So I'm going to mix this two color to make kind of like taupe color like she did, and just make the crease. She says she always goes up to her brows. I'm so confusing. I think because I'm not used to this kind of makeup. I think I kind of followed her eye makeup style, so let's move on to shimmer part. So for the shimmer eyeshadow, she went with a very like gold shimmery eyeshadow, so I'm going to use this Naked palette again, and I'm gonna use Turn On color right here. She went with her finger, so I'm just gonna use my finger too, because I think shimmer is the most important part of eye makeup, and also can be the worst makeup part because it can ruin the whole thing, you know. On color right here. And I'm also going to use this ambitious shade to add some little bit color on my crease. That's blended. Oh my god, I look like a different person. So let's move on to the eyeliner. I'm going to use this VIDIVICI palette for my under eyeline. I'm going to use this very dark shadow from the middle of my eye to the end. And then I'm going to use this eyeliner, Quick Style Fit eyeliner from seaNtree. Draw it slightly from the middle. Put some foundation on the sponge. And then I'm gonna use this cushion shade to clean the all messy thing on my eyes. Let's move on to eyebrows. I'm going to use this WAKEMAKE Defining Brow Liner in deep brown shade. Lana, she has a little edge on top of her eyebrows, so I'm trying to put some edge on the top. Let's brush them off. Just fill up the beginning part of my brows. Since she has a little edge on top, so I am drawing a slightly little bit on top of my brows. I always try to be very careful when I draw the beginning of my brows because this is where I have the least hairs. My arms always get so sore after I finishing on drawing my brows. Is there any tip brow lashes in like 3 minutes? Let's draw a little patch on top. And then for the concealer, I'm going to use this Luna concealer in Natural Beige shade. Open this up. Also, I do want to clean my crease a little bit more, so I'm also going to put the shadow to set the concealer. I just use my finger. I really wish Lara can watch this video. I hope I can be the first YouTuber following her makeup tutorial. And I'm pretty sure she and I look alike. Lara, if you're watching this video, I'm a huge fan of you, and I love To All the Boys I Loved Before Part 2. I even cried a little bit last night. Let's move on to the translucent powder. I'm going to use this MAMONDE Cotton Veil Powder Pact. I know To All the Boys I've Loved Before Part 2 was released on Netflix around February 12th, but I didn't watch it because I don't want to finish that 1.5 hours and waiting for the next season, because I want to save it into my playlist, have something to watch whenever I have time. So I was kind of like keep it, and last night I watched it, I finished it, but I couldn't watch it like straight because I have to pause it a lot of times because there are so many like romantic moments and like sad moments. So if you didn't watch the movie yet, PS, I'll still love you. Please go watch. It's a really great movie. I think I love the part 2 more than the part 1. I don't know, it just makes me so emotional. Like I cried a lot. We're moving on to bronzer and blush part. I'm going to use this Hourglass palette. I am freaking in love with this palette. I mean, like, I haven't used it much, but I love the shade. It has a very beautiful bronze colors and highlighters and the blush colors, so I love it. Just freaking blended. But seriously, like, if you haven't watched PS I Still Love You, it's a great movie. I don't watch same movie over and over. I'm not that kind of person, but I might watch it again. Like, it's so good, romantic movie. I can't get over this feeling until now. After I finished this part 2, I became a huge fan of them. I might watch all the filmography they've filmed. Blusher, I'm going to use this pinky shade because she used pretty pink shade, and I love this color. As you can see, it's not a pure pink color. It kind of mixed with pink and like orange-ish color, so it has a very, like, I don't know, aesthetic color. A little bit blusher on my face. I'm having so much fun following her makeup and just talking about the movie I love. Not just because the main character is Korean, like I am. Just the movie, the story, the main character, and the song. The whole process is so good. Okay, I think we're good. And let's move on to highlighter. We're almost done. Bear with me. For highlighter, I'm gonna mix these two colors. Let's move on to the lips. I have these two products. This one is from Urban Decay and this one is from Sephora. I'm gonna use this lip liner first to line my lips. And then I'll put this Urban Decay lipstick for the very final touch. I'm going to use my fingers to match. And I think I should draw my eyeliners a little bit longer, a tiny bit longer, so we're done. I'm gonna use the setting pot spray. I really don't like the smell. The makeup is done. And how does it look? Is it alright? Alright guys, this is it for today's video. I had so much fun following her makeup tutorial. I know this is not like 100% look similar, but I tried my best to follow her everyday makeup. I hope you guys enjoy watching it and like my makeup look, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!